First trip of 2023. We're going to open the camper. It is raining. It is not nice. We left Mac at home. He's got a bum wheel right now. We're gonna get a
but he's mean.
The Jeep is currently on the rack. We're putting exhaust on it.
Yeah, we have no vehicle.
Yeah, I know. So we put a new computer in the Jeep. We put new exhaust on the Jeep, and then the buggy, we pulled the CV joints out. I bought some more bolts, longer ones, so we can put some grease rings in so we don't cook a CVs like we did last year.
That was super bad.
That was super bad. That was...
We almost didn't get to the parking lot.
We almost didn't make it back to the parking lot. Luckily we did.
True.
So it's just not a nice day, but we're going to go open the camper and...
Have some fun.
Have some fun. See what it looks like up there. Well, I am really looking forward to seeing if the sand is still there. I'm not sure. Maybe it blew away in the winter.
Dad, that's the point. It starts with sand.
Oh, it starts.
And it's the dunes.
Oh.
Sandy dunes.
Okay. And I'm really, really, really excited to see where the construction is on 69 on the way there.
Oh.
Because maybe it changed locations. Maybe there's new road. I don't know. It's all a big surprise.
So right now we're on 24.
Pretty sure.
Right
now
we're
gonna run in and do some orange barrels.
We are on 24.
Speed is 55 right now.
Perfect. How fast are we going?
I don't know.
142.
We're going 100.
Yep.
It's like a brown. But now
Kids,
it's like a,
if we win the lottery, that is what Daddy's buying right there.
What is what?
We're buying that.
Hold
Yes,
on.
that.
Switch.
That, but we're gonna have a double-decker 53-footer
That
behind
right
that.
there. That's what Daddy wants.
That is what I want.
That's what
and
you
then
want?
we'll have
Oh,
our
wait,
full
here he comes
semi-trailer with all of our stuff in it, and we could go to every piece of sand in the United States.
Yay. Yay.
Right there.
And we get
Sweet.
homeschooled.
Yeah, homeschooled right there
man.
in that semi.
There we go.
Yeah.
Wait, what if... What if we just keep...
That thing's got a shower. That thing's got a bathroom. That thing's got a living room in it.
Oh, you would still see your friends.
It kind of looks like the airbags aren't looking very good.
We're going to be like the outdoor boys.
I think that's brand new. But for some reason, they just got off the interstate.
Maybe they missed their turn.
Getting back on. Or it's a test drive. Maybe the guy's going to blow $500,000 on a Kindle.
55. Still 55.
Look, it's got satellite. Oh,
Wow.
man.
That's satellite.
Yeah, it's got satellite on it.
Cooper, I think you'd have a little more space in there.
Daddy used to ride in one of those all over the country. It was fun.
Because it's a monster truck.
Yeah, we used to ride in that thing all
Hey,
over.
there's the other one right there.
It's perfect in here.
Daddy is short sleeve. It gets so hot. And then look at Alicia. She's got layers of blankets on.
Turn the vents off back there. Yes.
Are you a little
It's set
cold?
to 70 in here. It's not that.
Are you cold? Are you cold? Cooper's underneath a blanket too, but not his head. And then Miss Adeline is asleep over on the other side. You can see her perfect bun that she's made. That's about it. She's buried. How we doing, Daddy? What do you think? What's the update?
Fantastic. Coming into, other than people pulling in front of me, putting their brakes on. Whoa, feel this road. My goodness sakes.
Oh, this is new road.
Coming into Grand Rapidos.
Getting a little less rain. I'm starting to see a little bit of blue sky off to the west.
Huh?
Over up towards the north, there's a little bit of blue peeking through.
Talking about a rain cloud.
No, that's not. It's not rain.
A rain cloud. What are you talking about?
I think when we get to Silver Lake, it's just going to be ta-da! And all the clouds are going to go away and it's going to be sunshine.
took that going pretty quick, didn't he?
Made me a little nervous.
Good work, babe.
Yep, we were moving right along. Oh, they're working on that side.
The ramp.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they're working on the dozers.
Yeah. What do you have? There's 3 caps together.
Somebody glued that together.
You think they glued together, or did they actually?
That doesn't surprise me. That doesn't surprise
Hey,
me.
Cooper, tell me what they're doing.
Checking it out.
What are we getting ready to do?
And they were just receiving a shipment of furniture in.
What's up? Oh, there's a washer, huh? This looks pretty good. Is that why you got furniture taken out? You must have bought. Here's the new drive, a new asphalted bypass road.
Look at that.
Yeah, here we are.
Keep
Got a
pulling
new
and
flag
boom, right
station
there.
Right there, and you hit it, go right in.
Wow. What do you think about that, Mike?
I believe that I suggested that idea back probably 10, well, it's probably more than that, probably 15 years ago. The DNR was asking what would help with traffic flow, and I actually drew that bypass lane behind the toilets right there, going straight into the dude.
Straight in.
I drew it, I sent it to him. It only took him 15 years to listen to me, but now it's a permanent structure, and I think it's going to work out phenomenally.
It's going to be great.
It's going to be great. It's going to be
great.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Ouch, you hit me.
son of a
Yay. Bra. Move it down.
What are you doing? You trying to get it out.
Okay, now you guys are up front here.
He's having trouble adding down there. He can't. He's having a problem keeping it out of the middle there. That's right. There you go.
Okay, so wait, what are we at now? Double check.
15.
Okay.
Okay, so just get
So I'll get
6.
this one in.
Oh, well, good try. Oh, sis. Land that just a little bit shorter, honey. No, that's all right. Come on.
Yeah, the nice thing too is if I need a little extra sleep, I
No.
can go in at 10.
No
That's
points.
I work till 6.
There has not been any
I want,
points.
you know.
Good.
Hey, Cooper. What you doing? What are all the diggers out for?
Oh, this is they're making a little pathway.
A pathway for who?
Pathway for the ants.
A pathway for the ants.
Ants and leaves.
Yeah?
That enter a little tiny flower.